Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel AlphaBasics, where you will get solution for maths as well as Java. In the last class we have studied if else. So have you all understood? I hope you have understood. If you still find difficulty, you write it down in my comment box. So today I am going to start switch case. So as usual, I'll try to explain you in a much simpler way. So we will do little bit of board work and then we will come back and do it in the computer. So please watch my videos till the end, because in the end screen you will be getting related videos. Do like, subscribe and share my channel AlphaBasics, because I put a very sincere effort and your subscription gives me motivation to create new videos. So let's move on. Switch case. Now when we will be using switch case? Now whenever we will be dealing with multiple if else, then in place of multiple if else statement you can use switch case. Now what is a switch case? Now switch case, it is a multiple branching statement where a particular block of statements are executed out of a number of blocks as per the user's choice. Okay, only one block of statement will be executed out of number of blocks. Okay. It also includes a default case which is executed when the switch value doesn't match. Now see, I have written the syntax of switch case. Switch, and within the bracket n I have written this. N is what? This is a variable. This is a variable. So then case 1. So what is 1? 1 is the value of the variable which user will input. So see, I have written over this. This is what? This is a comment line. So n is equal to 1. That means user puts the value of n is equal to 1. Then it will come to this block, case 1. Then colon. Then this is a statements which will get executed if the value of n is 1. So I have shown over here and semicolon, and then a break statement is used over here. So this is a part of this syntax. Then case 2, if n equals 2, then this block will get executed, and then break statement. And if users enters the value of n apart from 1 and 2, then it will come in the default block, default, then this thing, and this statement will be executed, and opening and closing brace of switch. So we will do it in program, which will become much easier to you. Over here you can see break statement. What is a break? Break is a case terminator which forces the control to exit from the switch block. So as the definition says, switch case, you will find multiple blocks and only one block of statement will be executed depending upon the user's input. During the runtime, whatever user will provide in this variable, so that value will be checked over here, cleared. So we will work it out in program. It will be much easier, and I will show you just now two programs, one with integer data type and another with your char data type. Okay, see, I have incorporated your import java.io.asterisk, import java.util.asterisk. I have taken the same file, class hello, and then curly brace, opening curly brace, then public static void main string args, and this is the opening curly brace of the main. So I will take a variable of type int and scanner ob equals new scanner system dot in. Okay, so this is a scanner object OB, and I have taken a variable a of type int. So I will ask the user system dot out dot print enter a choice, suppose 1, 2, 3. These 3 choices I am asking the user to enter. So I have to take the entry. So A equals OB dot next int. Okay. So I have taken the entry in the variable A, and what user should enter? Either 1 or 2 or 3. So these are numeric type. So I have taken a variable of A of data type int. Clear? So now we will use the switch statement. Switch, as I have told you, here what will be? Variable. So variable is your A, whose value will vary, and depending on its value you have to execute. So switch A. So case is 1. Then suppose I am printing system dot out dot print ln. Simple. Suppose I am printing good morning. Good morning. So now break. Clear? So if user enters 1, then this will be printed. Case 2. Case 2. If user enters 2, then case 2. Then I am printing system dot out dot print ln. What I am printing? Suppose good afternoon. Good afternoon. Clear? Then what you have to write? Break. Okay. Now if case equals 3, suppose during the runtime user enters 3, so value of A is 3. So where it will come? Case 3. So case is 3. Then I am printing system dot out dot print ln. I am printing good night. Is it clear? Then what you have to use? Here you have to write break. Okay, I will write break over here, break, and put a semicolon. Okay, jot it down. I will just rub it. 2 to 3 more lines I have to write. Okay, or shall I am writing like after this I am writing over here. Suppose the next statement will be what? Default. That means if user enters number except 1, 2, 3 in this default block, it will come, and I am printing what? System dot out dot print ln enter valid choice. Okay, enter valid choice. Okay, and then as usual you have to close this switch block, and then your class, and then your main. Okay, this additionally, this lines you have to write after this. Okay, I will do it in computer. From you there also you can jot it down. So I have opened the same hello file. So this java.io.asterisk import java.util.asterisk. This is a class hello, opening curly brace, and public static void main string args, opening brace of main. So I will take a variable a of type int. Now what you have to do, I will use a scanner ob equals new scanner system.in. Now I'll ask the user system.out.println, enter choice 1/2/3 and put a semicolon. Now a equals ob dot next int. You have to take the entry of the variable. Now switch variable is a. Okay, now opening brace of switch case if case is 1, that means value of a is 1, then system dot out dot println, what I am printing, good morning. Okay, if during the runtime user provides 2, then I am printing what I am printing, suppose good afternoon. If user provides 3, then I am printing good night. Okay, and if user provides anything else, then I am asking the user to enter the given choice. And this is the closing brace of your switch. At the end of every case, you have to use break so that it will come out of the switch case break. Okay, and default will just ask the user to enter the valid given choice. So save it and compile it. No error. So we will run it. Right click, then your enter a choice 1, 2, 3. Suppose I am entering 3. Say good night. Clear? Again run it. Suppose I am entering 1. See good morning. Again enter. Suppose now I am entering 2. So see, good afternoon. Okay. And now we will check the default case. So if user enters a value apart from 1, 2, 3, suppose user enters 5. Say enter the given choice. That means I am asking the user to enter a valid choice which is 1, 2, 3, which I have already printed. So this is a simple switch case program. Clear? Now I will again show you taking character. Okay. So let's move on to the board again. Okay. Now we will try out with the char data type. Okay. So I am writing the program, simple program, very simple. So import java.io.asterisk, import java.util.asterisk. Now class hello, then put this opening brace of the class, then public static void main string args okay, opening curly brace for main. Now here I will take integer variable m n and then suppose I will take ad and your dif, okay, and char c, okay, and scanner ob equals new scanner system dot in. Clear? Now I will ask the user to enter two integer value. So I'll ask system dot out dot print enter first number, put a semicolon, take the entry in the variable m. So ob dot next int. So in this way we take the entry of integer variable. Again system, I will ask the user, so this output statement system dot out dot println, I will ask the user to enter second number, okay. Now where I am storing in n, so ob dot next int. So now I have two numeric variables. Now I will ask the user to enter a choice. So system dot out dot print suppose enter choice A for add and D for difference. So now this thing has been printed during the runtime. So system is showing enter a choice A for addition, either if you want to add enter A, if you want to find the difference enter D. So where will you enter? In the character variable C. So you have to take the entry. So C is equal to how you take with the help of object of the class scanner class, and then the function ob dot next, and how you take entry of a char data type next, then dot char at 0. Okay, so this is the syntax. Now we will use the switch case. So is it clear? Jot it down. I will rub it. So switch. Now what is the variable? C. Okay. Now case. Case if user enters A. Okay. So you have to put it under single quotes. So if case is A, then what I am doing, AD is equal to M plus N. Clear? We are storing it in variable AD. Now you print it system dot out dot print ln sum is equal to, where is the sum? In the variable AD. Then what you have to write? Break. Clear? Then if case is what? D. Okay. Then what? DIF. Diff is what? M minus N. Okay. Then you just print system dot out dot print ln difference is where it is in DIF. Okay. Break. Okay, and then if user enters anything apart from A and D, it will come over default block. Then I am printing what? System dot out dot print ln enter choice A or D. Clear? So close the switch and close the main and close your class. Okay. So we will work it out in the computer right now. So we will write import java.io dot asterisk import java.util dot asterisk then class your hello and then the opening brace then public static void main string args. Now the opening of the public class. So I will take two variable mn and then ad. I'll keep the addition and diff for the storing the difference value, and then I will take a character variable c, then scanner ob equals new scanner system dot in. Okay. Now I will take the entry. I'll ask first system dot out dot print ln. I will ask the user to enter value, enter first number. Okay. So I will take the entry. So m is equal to ob dot next int. Okay. Then again I have to ask the user enter second number. Okay. So I'll store where in n equal to ob dot next int. Okay. Now again I will ask the user to enter the choice system out dot println enter a for suppose add, d for difference. Okay. So I have to store it in the variable c. So c is equal to ob dot next dot caret 0. Clear? So three things already I have taken the input. Okay, two integer variables and the choice in the which is a character data type in the variable c. So I will write now switch case. So switch, the variable is c. Okay, so opening brace. So case, if case is a, okay, if case is a, then what we are going to do? We are going to add the value where the value is m plus n. Okay, and we will print it system dot out dot println and write down sum is, suppose writing this, and where it is in variable ad. Okay, now what you have to do next? You have to use a break statement. Okay, now if case is d, then what you have to do? We will find the difference. So the variable diff, so m minus n, and print it system dot out dot println difference is equal to, okay, now where your this thing is in the variable diff, so put a semicolon and then you have to use this break. Now if user enters any other value, so default statement system dot out dot println, so enter a or d. I am writing, okay, a or d, a for your addition, d for your difference. So close your switch, close your main, close your class. So this is your program. So just save it and compile it. No errors. So close it. Now run it. Okay. So first you have to take numbers. So enter first number. Suppose I am entering 50. Enter second number. Suppose I am entering 30. So A for addition and D for difference. So I am entering A. So it should add 50 and 30. It should, see, sum is 80. Clear? So again run it. Enter a number. Suppose I am entering 60. Second number 20. Enter a choice. Now I will enter D because I want to find out the difference. So 60 minus 20, it should show me 40. So difference is 40. Clear? And now we will check the default case. So enter a number, suppose 70, enter a number, suppose 40, okay. Enter A or D, suppose user enters K, so which is not given over here. So enter A or D. I am printing, I am telling the user to enter either A or D. You can print anything, enter valid choice A or D, enter valid choice A for addition or D for difference, whatever you want to print, okay. So this is your simple switch case, clear? Okay, that's all for today. Hope you have understood, and in my next video I will be dealing with for, okay, for loop. We will be starting with loop, and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel AlphaBasics, and definitely subscribe and see my video till the end, and your subscription gives me motivation. Thank you.